Is it possible to learn a language in just 60 days? Well, 2 months ago, I said this. I'm Cambodian, and I'm ashamed to admit that my Khmer is absolute. And all the comments were so supportive, so I got inspired to pretty much practice speaking Khmer every day. So now, we're gonna put that to the test. Hawk's gonna say a sentence in either Khmer or English, and I'll translate the opposite way.
ខ្ញុំថ្ងៃហ្នឹងកាត់សក់ស្អាតមើលទៅដូចបានក្មេងមែនទែន
Today, he got a very nice haircut, and he's looking very young.
The weather today is extremely sunny. I would love to go to the beach.
កាសធាតុឥឡូវថ្ងៃមែនតើខ្ញុំចង់ទៅសមុទ្រ Did I say something wrong?
Yeah, first sentence is going well. It's just samot is wrong.
What's beach then?
Beach is I think បារាយខ្ញុំធ្វើការនឹងហត់អាទិត្យនេះចង់ទៅដេកថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគ្រាន់តែចង់ទៅដេកទេទៅថ្ងៃស្អែកគ្រាន់តែចង់ទៅដេកថែមទៀត
So you're saying this week you worked very hard and then all you want to do today is sleep and then tomorrow all you want to do is sleep.
Not bad, not bad.
That's good. One more, last one.
I had to work with some lawyers this week and they were quite pushy. I did not like working with them.
សប្តាហ៍នេះខ្ញុំធ្វើការជាមួយពួកនិយាយវ៉ានិយាយវិធីគាត់និយាយរឿងwow what the hell is pushy រឿងបខំពួកហ្នឹងបខំខ្លាំងខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តធ្វើការជាមួយពួកហ្នឹងឯង I think that's big. So what I realized after watching the video back, it was really easy for me to translate from Khmer to English. But when it was the other way around, I really struggled from English back to Khmer. Does anyone else have that problem? Or is it just me? អរគុណទាំងអស់គ្នាមើលវីដេអូខ្ញុំហើយ control ខ្ញុំដឹងថាមានកូនខ្មែរច្រើនរស់នៅប្រទេសផ្សេងក៏ឃើញវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំចង់និយាយថាខំនិយាយខ្មែរហងភាសាហ្នឹងគឺវិធីខ្លាំងជាងគេចង់និយាយខ្មែរល្អជាងមុនខំនិយាយខ្មែររាល់ថ្ងៃ